Okay, Megan, I'm going to show you some pictures and you're going to tell me what the pictures are about. What is this?
House.
What is this?
A door.
What is this?
A pig.
What is this?
A cup.
Good job. She is a girl and he is a
Boy.
awesome job. What is this?
An apple.
Red means stop and green means
Go.
what is this?
A duck.
What sound does a duck make?
Quack.
Awesome work. What is this?
A table.
What is this?
A monkey.
What is this?
Hammer.
What is this?
A fish.
What is this?
A watch.
What is this?
A spider.
And what is this?
A spider web.
This is a web. It's made of sticky thread. What is this?
A web.
What is this?
A drum.
What is this?
Plate.
Okay, and what is this?
Knife.
What is the boy wearing on his foot?
Shoe.
What is this?
Slide.
Awesome. And what is this?
Swing.
What is this?
Guitar.
What is this?
Lion.
What is this?
Chair.
What is this?
Soap.
What are these?
Glasses.
What is this?
Tiger.
And what is this?
Puzzle.
Awesome job. You did so good today.
Thank you.